Hello and welcome to the Trade Setup. In this video we are looking at Fiserv. It's a request that one of the followers of this channel made, and let me remind you, anyone can actually make requests for stocks to be covered, and if they actually have a setup, I will most likely do cover it, even if it's not the most promising one anyway. But yeah, so from the very beginning I am looking from the all-time low at the wave 1 up and the wave 2 down, and afterwards we can start tracking the large third wave to the upside, which in my opinion is actually quite a while away from being complete and quite a lot of movement away. But yeah, I actually expect this to take quite a long time to complete based on how long these movements have actually taken so far. But yeah, within that third wave I am tracking an impulse in a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and now we are within this large third wave of the third wave. And yeah, within this large third wave we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and now the point of interest is whether we actually completed this third wave or not. And we have two scenarios that both indicate their likelihood. I don't necessarily have a preference between the yellow and the white scenario, but the white scenario says that we completed this third wave and we are now looking for support between $116 down to around $52. Alternatively, we have the yellow scenario in which we completed the wave 4 here instead, and we are tracking a 5-wave move to the upside in a diagonal, in a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, and now the fourth wave, which maxed out at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, and we are now looking for the fifth wave to the upside. So there is a chance for direct upside from here. We may even get a slight break below the 61.8% retracement here, because looking at the structure here, I can see maybe a wave A, a B, and a C, and I don't really see a fourth and a fifth in the C wave. It may be built in based on what caused this. Was it the earnings? Yeah, the earnings caused this movement. So maybe the fourth wave is built within. We may have completed this support zone and head up directly, may have completed this fourth wave and may head up directly to new all-time highs. And yeah, I don't have a preference between the yellow and white scenario. Both are equally likely in my opinion, but yeah, it is quite close to the white support zone that maybe a small position, entering the small position here, just in case we may be in the yellow scenario, may be worth it, because yeah, we are looking at the target for the fifth wave. Sorry, I took that wrong. But yeah, we are looking for a target between $268 or so. Yeah, 65 down to, yeah, no, that's my target, $265 for the fifth wave to the upside. It doesn't have to get there, it doesn't have to stop there, but that's what I'm looking for in the yellow fifth wave if that is to play out. So yeah, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.